Non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resources are used continuously and can be used again and again. 2. Major examples are air, water, soil, wildlife, forests, fish, etc. 3. These resources support millions of people all over the world. 4. Renewable resources are constantly renewed by biogeochemical cycles of nature. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources cannot be used again and again after their consumption. 2. Major examples include coal, oil, natural gas, etc. 3. These resources cannot support millions of people all over the world. 4. Non-renewable resources are being exhausted day by day because their demand rises. Due to worldwide demand of fossil fuels, its supplies are declining. Or renewable resources. 1. The resources that can be renewed by reproduction are called renewable resources. 2. Renewable resources are inexhaustible. 3. Renewable resources are not affected by the human activities. 4. All biotic resources are renewable. 5. For example, air and water. Sources. 1. The resources that are present in fixed quantities are called non-renewable resources. 2. Non-renewable resources are inexhaustible. 3. Non-renewable resources are affected by human activities. 4. Some abiotic resources are non-renewable. 5. For example, fossil fuels and minerals.